Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share a Malaysian food Nasi Lemak 3D model to you. You can download it for free. This is an FBX format. You can just get it from my video description. Click into the first link. Then it is going to lead you to my website freedom3d.org. You scroll down, you can preview this Malaysian food Nasi Lemak. And now you can see this is my breakfast. I brought a 3D scanner to scan it in a restaurant. This is a fried egg with coconut milk rice with chicken curry, with the curry chicken, and you can see a slice of cucumber with some peanuts, and this is sambal, a chili sauce which mixed with lime. And now it is available in my website for free. First, once you already enter this website, you can just scroll down. Just below the preview, you can see if you want to download it, you need to log in with Google. Click login here. Then it is going to lead you to log in with Google sites. Then just click login with Google. If you already log into your Google account with your Chrome browser, it will automatically refresh everything. Then scroll down, the download button will be there. And here, this is the preview. While it is loading, actually you can just click the download button. It is going to download it into your computer just in a few seconds. Now it is starts downloading. Once it finished download, it is an FBX file. You can use it in any other 3D software like Blender, iClone, Unreal Engines, Unity, etc. You can use it in your game project or any of your 3D animation project, or you can just use your 3D modeling skill to re-edit it. It is a free 3D model. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of my breakfast 3D model, the Malaysian food. The name is Nasi Lemak, and you can download it for free. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!